Hey everybody, and welcome back to a new video. I'm going to be doing a Halloween craft idea. So for this project, you need glow-in-the-dark vinyl, your Cricut design space, and whatever type of clothing you want. I'm using a black sweater or sweatshirt for this project. You will notice here that I've got two white sheets of vinyl. That's going to be important for something I'm going to go over at the end of the video. So this is special HTV. It is glow in the dark. You can find it on Amazon. You can find it at your local crafting store like Michael's. You can even find, sometimes you can find HTV at your local Walmart. Their selection is very few, so I wouldn't recommend shopping there. But there's websites. Amazon carries this, Michael's carries this, so you can find this at several different places. So what you need is glow-in-the-dark HTV, and what I did was I picked out a skeleton design and I sized it through Cricut Design Space and laid it out so I could fit it on 2 sheets. I did the rib cage in front and the bones for the arms. You can do this on the front and the back of your shirt. Get like a full skeleton effect from the front and back. For this video, I'm just doing the front of the shirt. So I placed it all together on the shirt, just where I wanted it. Then I heat pressed this on I heat pressed this HTV on at 340 for 40 seconds. I did the front piece and then I did the arms, after each arm afterwards. I'm going to do a complete skeleton. I'm going to do the mask and I'm going to do sweatpants. So I have a full skeleton front and back, and I will show you guys when I finish this. I did realize that I wanted to do this I wanted to do a full skeleton during this project. I had only a couple sheets of glow-in-the-dark HTV left. I bought this like a year ago for another project. So I happened to have some glow-in-the-dark HTV. Now I thought the two white pieces of glow-in-the-dark HTV were the same color. I got a surprise there, but I will go over that in just a second, and I will show you guys what I mean by I got a surprise. I am going to order a whole roll of glow-in-the-dark HTV that's all one color, and I'm going to do a full suit, and I'm going to show you guys that. After I heat press this on, I peel off the plastic, and then I sit it for, I think it was an hour. I set it on the table under a light so it would charge up and have a good glow. After I gave it an hour or so to charge, I went tested out the glow-in-the-dark feature of the HTV and to see what it would look like. And guys, it turned out awesome. The only thing is, I quickly found out that it was 2 different colors. So each sheet of the white HTV were a different color. Now, it was just like a light blue and a dark blue, so it kind of looked cool for the skeleton. But I'm going to do a full suit of one color of HTV and a slightly more glow-in-the-dark color. Let me know what you guys think of how the 2 colors looked and how you think this turned out. Have a fantastic day, everybody.